Today you're going to learn how to add a collaborator on Instagram Reels in 2026. Step by step if you want to grow faster, reach more people, and share content with another account. Using the collaborator feature is one of the best strategies, so let's go step by step so you can do it correctly. The first thing you need to do is open Instagram on your phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not appear if you're using an older version. Once you're inside, tap the plus icon or the create button, then select Reel. Now you can start creating your video. You can either record directly from the app or upload clips from your gallery. After selecting or recording your video, you can edit it, you can add music, text, effects, and adjust the timing just like any normal reel. Take your time here and make sure your content looks good, because once you add a collaborator, both audiences will see it. Once your reel is ready, tap Next. Now you'll arrive at the screen where you add details before posting. Here is where the collaborator feature comes in. You'll see an option that says Tag People. Tap on that option now instead of just tagging someone normally. You'll see another option that says Invite Collaborator. Tap on Invite Collaborator. Now search for the username of the person you want to collaborate with. Select their account. Once selected, they will appear as a collaborator invitation. Now continue setting up your post. You can write your caption, add hashtags, choose a cover, and adjust other settings. Once everything is ready, tap Share. Now here's something very important to understand. The collaboration is not active yet. The other person needs to accept the invitation. They will receive a notification. Once they accept it, the reel will appear on both accounts. This means the post will be shared with both audiences at the same time, and all likes, comments, and views will be combined. This is why collaboration is so powerful. It helps you reach more people without creating extra content. Now let's go over a few important tips. First, always collaborate with accounts that are relevant to your content. For example, if your content is about fitness, collaborate with someone in the same niche. This increases engagement and makes the collaboration more effective. Second, communicate with the person before inviting them. Make sure they are expecting the collaboration, because if they don't accept it, the post will only stay on your account. Another important tip is timing. Try to post when both audiences are active. This increases the chances of getting more engagement quickly. Also, make sure your content is high quality, because when you collaborate, you're also representing the other person's brand. Now, what if you already posted a reel? In most cases, you need to add the collaborator before publishing, so it's important to do this step during the posting process. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is updated. You can also try logging out and back in. Sometimes features take time to appear, depending on your account, and that's it. That's how you can add a collaborator on Instagram Reels in 2026 step by step. It's simple, but very powerful if you use it correctly.